Hi, my name's Braden Jarrett from O'Brien Real Estate Mornington. I'd like to welcome you and introduce you to 1/32 Genista Street, Frankston South. Let's go and take a look inside. Features include open plan family dining area, hardwood floors, modern kitchen and ducted and evaporated cooling. This modern 3-bedroom home is sure to enthuse all buyer categories. Positioned in the Frankston High School zone, this property offers a private courtyard and a secure front yard. Thanks for taking a look. If you'd like to view the property on a private appointment, please feel free to give me a call. I look forward to seeing you at the auction on the 6th of April at 11:30 a.m.